Ah, it's a flood! Ah! What am I ever going to do? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm legit eating. I'm eating a flood.
Brent Lloyd, he's the rep in Cleveland.
So, I'm a little sick.
He called me this morning.
Okay, so I'm sick. And I'm going to show you guys all the best places in Flood Escape. Not Flood Escape. I'll leave the link of the game. Max Firebrand's Flood Survival Waves Beat. And we'll leave the link of the game. This map's really easy. You just jump on that building. And then you have all your freedom that you basically want. I don't recommend going to the big buildings because the big buildings usually collapse. So go to the small buildings. Yeah, she wants a party. So as I said, I am a little sick. And I am eating. So if you don't hear me talk, I'm eating. Or I don't know what to say. And for this map, you want to make your way over here. And then get on this brown platform. See? You gotta do a little bit of parkour. The parkour is a little hard, but people can get the parkour. It's really easy. This is really a gold thing. I wanted to jump, but I chose not to. Alright, we're going to win. Alright, don't. Alright, for this map, where you want to go is on the bridge. Just kidding, you want to go to this little building.
Are you okay, Mama?
And then after the bridge is unflooded, you want to jump to the bridge. See, like I was talking about, big buildings are these. That one won't die, but or you don't want to jump. I almost survived. And now?
Finn, it's time to turn that off and head up to bed.
Okay.
Can you turn that off soon?
Yeah, sure. I'm recording a video.